So here's my day-to-day, the way I set it up. My first ride, which I can go and redeem right now, is Kilimanjaro Safaris. Then I'm going to take a little break and have Festival of the Lion King. Then I take a larger break and Navi River Journey Avatar Flight of Passage. Usually I do not get a Lightning Lane multi-pass for Animal Kingdom Day. I usually rope drop and I buy my Flight of Passage single pass and I rope drop Navi River, and then I go to Dinosaur, and then I go to Everest, and then I go to Kilimanjaro Safaris with a little bit of a wait. That one will have a wait. And then I take my break. Then in the afternoon, I go and do the shows. And when I say I take a break, I sit down in an air-conditioned place or a nice little area where I can get something to eat. And then I do the shows, because you really don't need Lightning Lane multi-pass for the shows. And then I walk the animal trails, because this is a zoo. And that's my day. I only buy, like I said, Avatar Flight of Passage, and I set up the rest of my day in that fashion.